Hi, so I'm Emily Nungesser. I am the Solar Service Coordinator for Kokosing Solar, and I also fly the drone. Today we are at a residential household trying to get some pictures so that we can upload them to a software that will generate a 3D model of the roof instead of having our technicians climb up there, spend however long measuring it out. So the drone can do it in 10 minutes. All right, so right now I'm setting the path of the drone. For small residential systems, I use circular paths. As soon as I set the middle point and the radius, it should take off by itself and take pictures in a matter of minutes. All right, so sometimes the drone will alert me if there's obstacles nearby, so it has obstacle detection so it won't run into things and crash.
And what does it sound like? Just beeping?
Yep.
Awesome.
The obstacle detection for you. Give the graphical haircut.